right, it's a wonderful time to have you, sir. Honorable Chairman of Ecos AGE, Honorable Adewale Anomo. Nice having you, sir.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's so close that we'll be celebrating 100 days in the office. How would you describe the journey so far?
Well, thank you very much. The journey so far has been very impressive, and you know governance is about the people. And that is why we say democracy at large is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Under my administration, under my watch, as the executive chairman of ECOSAGE, we are dotting our I's and crossing the T towards making sure we have a befitting 100 days in office celebration. And in all of that, at the moment, we are reconstructing 2 schools because we believe education is the best legacy. And when you open the door of a school, you are closing the door of a prison. And of course, when you close the door of a school, you are opening the door of a prison. And on that note, we are reconstructing 2 new schools, and we also have what we call the ECOSAGE Complete School Park. Under the ECOSAGE Complete School Park, we have about 5,000 of our primary school pupils. And of course, you know, primary education is the sole responsibility of the local government. Of course, we are not shying away from it. So under the ECOSAGE Complete School Park that I said earlier on, we have acquired 2 new buses that will take the children to school in the morning and bring them back home.
All these are free
in the afternoon. Of course, they are free. And also, in addition, we are giving them, in the neighborhood of about 5,000 of them, we are giving them school bag. Inside that school bag, we have their school uniform, we have their school sandal, we have their school socks, we have their writing materials. And when I say writing
the people are enjoying the dividends of democracy.
Of course, they have been supporting us so far, and we are not just going to toy away and disappoint the support. It is unprecedented in the history of ECOSAGE. The enormous support that the good people of ECOSAGE have given this administration. And of course, we can't do anything short of giving them back good dividend of democracy.
We have seen so many politicians promise and never fulfill their promises. Or some will start good. Of course, after 100 days or 1 year, they begin to give the community, the entire society, headache. What's your vision for your people?
Well, my vision for my people is that, 1, I'm a product of grace, and I'm coming from a very solid background. As a technocratic and grassroots politician, you always see me in the midst of my people, and of course, they have supported us so far that we can't afford to take their support for granted. And that is why it is not just about our 100 days in office. By the time we are celebrating the 100 days in office, of course, we invite you to come around to Agbowa and come and see what we are showcasing to the good people of ECOSAGE, and of course to Lagos at large and to Nigeria in general. And that will not just stop during the 100-day celebration. Is going to continue. I am going to make ECOSAGE the infrastructural tourist center of Lagos State and Nigeria at large.
Lastly, so many administrators never looked into the ability of empowering women. What's your vision for the women of ECOSAGE?
Thank you very much. You know, politics is about the women. Their percentage cannot be overemphasized when it comes to grassroots politicking. There are mothers, there are sisters, of course there are wives, and they have, you know, contributed so immensely in the political space. And of course, that is why we are not just taking passion to assist them, passion to empower them for granted. Also, during our 100 days in office, we will be doing cash empowerment for our market women. We are also targeting some of our senior citizens. Basically, most of them are women. We are taking cognizance of that, and of course we're also taking cognizance of the widows among them, and all of this will be giving them solid empowerment to make sure we have come on board, of course, to change the narratives.
All right, thank you very much, sir. We would love to be part of your 100 days in office. The Afrique TV is a new channel here at Epe, where we hope to empower other communicators as part of our crew at the Afrique TV. We are giving you our assurance that everything, anytime you want to do anything, we'll be there to cover you, sir.
My pleasure. Of course, you'll be welcome. Any day, anytime. Thank you very much. My pleasure. Good day. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.